another update of my trip in midsummer from Malta to Germany with the car. So I made 1,144 kilometers to arrive to this point. I'm just a few kilometers, well, maybe 20 kilometers away from Firenze, and Firenze is the one in the middle there, and you see the highway goes around it from sort of the west side. And then where you see written A1 over there, there's a lot of tunnels. That's why it's a bit these you see over here are a bit dark. The temperature is 41 degrees. It's 4:30 on a Wednesday. Now it's 41 the temperature, but it's in the shade. Well, usually the heat from the car affects the temperature, because the temperature of this car is right here underneath. Let me see if we can see it underneath the mirror. Before I commenced this video, you saw a short clip about the high-speed train in Italy. It's called the Freccia Rossa, and it does about 300 kilometers per hour. I don't know the speed of that time I saw it, but yes, there's a high-speed train in Italy, Freccia Rossa, which means, I believe, the red train. So let's continue this trip. Next I will be telling you the shortest time it took me to do a trip from Malta to central Switzerland, and I will give you a bit more information about that. So make sure to subscribe so you won't miss that video and others after it, if you are interested in these kind of videos and if you are interested to do this kind of trip in Italy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to comment and ask me questions. I will be more than happy to answer. See you soon.